Hello, friends, welcome back again. And today I am going to narrate a very short but important story, that is The Secret of 3Ds, which was told by Lord Brahma to the Devas, Manushas, and the Asuras, and this helped them find their path to happiness. So long ago, the Devas, the humans, as well as the Asuras, they were feeling very sad, and those were the times when people could easily approach the creator, that is Lord Brahma. So the Devas, they decided that they should approach Lord Brahma and ask him for a solution to help them to come out of their unhappiness. But when they approached Brahma and asked him for a solution, Lord Brahma simply uttered a word, the, and then he told them to go back. Now the Devas were totally confused. What does the mean? Similarly, the Manushas went and approached Lord Brahma and told him that they were very sad and unhappy. Again, Brahma gave them the same answer, the, and he told them to go back. Now, even the Manushas were confused. What does this the mean? Finally, the Asuras went to Lord Brahma and they also complained that they are very unhappy. Lord Brahma again uttered a single syllable, that is the, and told them to go back. So even the Asuras were totally confused. For many days, the Asuras tried to introspect as to what exactly is meant by the. And then one of the wise Asuras realized that they have always been engaging in battle with the Devas and the Manushas. And in the course of this battle, they have been killing thousands of creatures, thousands of human beings, and even some Devas. So, this was what was causing their misery, and therefore, one of the Asuras interpreted the syllable the as Daya, which means Asuras must learn to show Daya or mercy on their opponents. And once they started practicing mercy or Daya, the Asuras started becoming happier in life. Similarly, the Manushya started pondering what exactly is this the? And then one day, as a man was having his food, he decided to feed some grains to the birds nearby, and he found a strange kind of happiness within him as he gave food to someone else. So, humans interpreted this the as dan, which means donating food, donating money to the poor, to the needy, to the birds and the animals is what actually makes them happier than accumulating wealth and spending it only on themselves. The Devas also started pondering what exactly is this the, and they decided to approach their guru, Bruhaspati. Bruhaspati thought deeply and he told the Devas to introspect on their own lives. The Devas spent most of their lives watching Apsaras engaging themselves in different kinds of sensual pleasures, so much that they were completely saturated by these pleasures. So Brihaspati said the meaning of the word the is actually dam, which means to restrain yourself from overindulging in sensual pleasures. And therefore, the Devas understood that the meaning of the was dam, which means self restraint. In life, when you get a lot of pleasures, also, a point comes when you feel saturated. And in such cases, you must do austerities. You must restrain yourself from overindulging in those pleasures, and then your life attains a true meaning. This is what the Devas understood. So, friends, if you like this video, please mark it as liked. If you have not subscribed to my channel Kamath Astrology, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button, and you will be automatically notified when I add a new video. For any queries, any consultation, email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com and we'll be glad to assist you. To know more about us, visit our website astroseva.tripod.com. So, friends, thanks a lot. Bye. Take care. Stay safe.